Compression is an audio processing technique that reduces the dynamic range of a piece of audio by detecting when it exceeds a specified level and then attenuating it by a specified amount. This narrows the difference between the loudest and softest parts of a track so that it's more consistent in level. Use compression to control dynamics. Compression is a powerful tool that can help you control the dynamic range of your audio. By reducing the volume of the loudest parts of your track, you can make it sound more consistent and polished. Set the attack and release times correctly. The attack and release times determine how quickly the compressor starts and stops working. Setting these parameters correctly is crucial to achieving the desired effect. Use sidechain compression for creative effects. Sidechain compression is a technique that allows you to use one track to control the compression of another track. This can be used to create interesting rhythmic effects or to make room for other elements in your mix. Use parallel compression for more control. Parallel compression is a technique that involves blending a compressed version of your audio with an uncompressed version. This can give you more control over the amount of compression applied to your track. Don't overdo it. While compression can be a powerful tool, it's important not to overdo it. Too much compression can make your track sound lifeless and dull. Subscribe for more no-nonsense tips.